G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. For those who are new to the channel, this has been one for about 10 years in the making, as a lot of project cars go. This is about the Australian Holden 1 tonner. You can go back to some of my older videos and you'll see a bit of what I've done in the past. So I haven't done any work to this vehicle with my good friend and panel beater, spray painter, refinisher Mark for probably 5 years now, something like that. The whole thing's been in the making for about 10 years. So yeah, we'll go see Mark, catch up with him. He's a good friend and a neighbour, and I haven't seen him for a while, so go catch up with him and see what we can do. We're going to discuss what's the next stage of the ute. He has been doing a little bit in the last few days. Alright guys, we'll see you then. Alright guys, so this is what Mark's been doing. We're just discussing, we're going to fill in this hole. Both guards have got antenna holes in them. These are some of the patches that he's redone in here. So that was all rusted out obviously. It's got one underneath. That's he's done that one as well. So I can remember back when I stripped these down first, and it was close to 2 kilos in filler that I
and the paint too, the paint
yeah. So we're just going to go for a walk, and Mark's going to let me know where he's been doing this and that. The nose guard here,
pretty good now. I don't know if you remember that this was a Premier.
Yeah, and you cut sections out.
Sections in the back of the other one. Remember?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is all this.
Yeah, so that's actually the old one that was pretty much stuffed.
Yeah.
But we managed to keep that.
Yep.
I just cut out the twin light because you don't have a twin light.
That's correct. Yeah.
So it's just a single light now.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's pretty good. It just needs to be once over sort of thing, so I'm getting pretty close to that one.
Yeah.
I've already had it on the gaps and sort of getting...
And this had a few dints and buckles as well, didn't it? Or was it pretty good?
No, the other one, that's why this was actually the aftermarket. Nose cone that you had.
Okay.
Sort of thing.
Yeah, yep.
Incorporated that, and then obviously the other one, the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, as in the one that like took these out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the Premier one.
Righto, yep.
But we just made it into a single light.
Excellent. Alright.
Yeah, so I haven't really done a lot here, but I'm just starting to pull it down, just getting the guards. I just want to get all your panels pretty much repaired, ready, and then we go into the paint stage.
Yeah, excellent, yeah.
Which is a couple of questions before we go to the paint stage of motor, what you want to do.
Whether I'm going to pull it out or not.
Yeah. Is it clean? I know you had another one.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm not too sure really.
So have a think about it, because ideally,
you want
with no guards on, easy access.
Okay,
but once it's all painted, you want to do it later. You're juggling. You can do it. Trying to get the motor and gearbox sort of on an angle on the out sort of thing. Where at the moment, Beverage Sport Panel's only got 2 bolts and just got radio hose. And your motor's sort of on the out. So it's something we can do here. That's not a problem. Bring the motor in here. Do a swap over here. I've got the gantry thing out the back there we can hook up. And once the motor's out, which is where I'm going, when the motor's out, before the other one goes in, paint that plywood. And that way the other one can go in, probably clean up the chassis so it's all nice and pretty again. New motor go in, and then we start
around it.
So I'll just start painting, get the painting process up.
Alright.
Your cab's done. So I think doors might need a once over, but they're done. So it's really just the guards, bonnet, nose cone.
Alright.
And inner guards are done. It just needs to be painted. So basically the cab's ready as such. The one's over, but it's almost ready to paint. So.
Okay then.
So with the lighting glass, I'll get on this. I'll just check the gaps. The seals are done. I'm going to check the gaps. I get the gaps. I'll be moving around a little bit. But I'll be Yeah, once these panels are done, it'll be literally in a stage.
Okay then. All right.
So you just need to make up decisions on what, when, not so much when, but just what or how. Whether you want to do it at this stage or you want to do it after it's painted.
Yeah, I'll have to think about it because I just.
For the car? Yeah, it'll just go in the shed. Because it's only if I'm fabricating, like dicking around making something that, because I'm actually contemplating of
and there's going to be a lot more paint and panel in the next videos hopefully, so stay tuned guys, and here's one on TDC, and bit of luck, it should fire.